Hello there, my name is Chioma and you're welcome back to my channel once again. If this is your first time stopping by, hello once again, and please join us by subscribing to Mommy's Yum channel using the button below. Don't forget to click the bell so that you can get notifications whenever I post new videos. Today we are going to be making some baby purees which are quick and very simple to prepare but loaded with nutrition. We are using our Nigerian foods as the main ingredients in all these baby foods. I am going to be starting with this simple beans porridge meal for baby, and I'm going to be using ground beans powder, which is a good source of carbohydrate and protein. You can make yours by clicking the link I've put in the description box below. I am mixing a teaspoon or two of beans flour with some water first, while I put my water to boil too. I'm mixing it well so that it doesn't turn lumpy when I stir it in to cook. I have about a cup of water in the pan which is about to boil. I'll stir in the beans and start mixing, stirring to keep it from getting lumpy, and keep cooking for about 2 minutes. You can see it's thickening and getting smoother as you continue cooking. I'm now adding crayfish. Crayfish is a good source of protein, as we all know, and also it flavors the food. And then palm oil. Palm oil is a good source of beta carotene which converts to vitamin A and is good for baby's eyesight. Now that you've mixed it together, just stir and our beans meal is ready, or beans porridge is ready. You can make it lighter by adding some more water or even stock if you've got stock. Homemade baby stock, not the stock that we use for our own food. Remember, you don't add salt to baby's food at this moment. Now we are going to make plantain and carrot puree for baby. And I'm going to cut my plantain. Onions, and carrots. Now I'm adding everything into the pot. And adding about a cup of water to cook it. Add some oil too. This time I'm using olive oil. You can equally use a palm oil. I'm going to let it cook until the plantain and carrot have softened well. Take it out from the fire. Allow it to cool a bit and then blend it. And that's it. That's our plantain and carrot puree all ready. Next is the green banana and apple puree. As I said earlier, green banana is the sister to plantain. That is ogede, I think, in Igbo, right? And I think we used to call it banana and sunsu too. And it's loaded with nutrition. I don't know why we've forgotten this food. I now boil it for the kids to eat too, and they enjoy it with egg stew or some other sauce. It is one food you can give to your baby for weight gain. I've cut it all up now. I'm cutting some apple, just a quarter of apple. You can add some more if you want it to be sweeter. Now I'm going to boil them until they have softened well. I'm adding some butter and a pinch of nutmeg. And then I'm removing it from the fire. Allow it to cool once more. Blend to a puree. Our baby food is ready. Please click the like button below to give this video a thumbs up. Now we are going to make a simple sweet potato puree, and we are using our Nigerian sweet potato, but we are keeping it simple this time. This potato is sweet, so just it alone is good for baby. You don't even need to add anything. So I'm cutting the potato into tiny cubes. And after that, I'm going to put it to boil until it's soft as usual. Add about a cup of water and then cook till soft. Put in your blender. I've added some crayfish, and then I'm going to blend it into a puree once more. You can use a spoon to mash it up very well. add some milk to loosen it up more if you are giving to a younger baby. Next, we are going to make sweet potato and beans puree. I'm going to be using carrots, which I'm going to peel and grate. You can give it to babies from 8 months and above without blending it. I'm going to be using some leftover sweet potato from the previous puree that we made, and I'm going to mix my beans and add to it. As well as my grated carrots. Adding some palm oil. Now, because we are not going to puree this, you use your spoon to mash it up. Add some crayfish. Stir well. And remove from heat. Simple and easy peasy. Our beans potato is ready. Vegetable sweet potato and beans puree, if you want to say it like that. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button below. Thank you for watching today.